Hi friends, this video is part of the course certification course, and in this video we will learn about the select tool and its features. So what are the features of this select tool? So what all can we do using this select tool? So using this select tool, we can select the fields that we want to show in output and discard those that are not required. Meaning, oftentimes we get a lot of data for analysis, and in those data we also find details that are not relevant for our analysis. And using this select tool, we can select only the fields that we require for our analysis and in our output. We can also rename the fields as we want them to appear in our output, and we can also rearrange those fields in any order that we want them, and we can also sort them by the field names alphabetically in ascending or descending order. We can also sort them by the data types, but this sorting is different from the sort tool, which actually works sorts the data based on the value in a particular field, but this sorting is only based on the field names and field types. And we can also add or remove prefix and suffix to the field. So let's get started and see how all this happen in Alteryx. So I've already pointed this to one input file, and here I've inserted the select tool. Here the connection is not visible right now. So when we are selecting this tool, the connection will be visible. So we can hide this connection. So here it is seen. We can when we right click, we see the option to make the connection wireless. So that's how it happens. So when we are not selecting the particular tool, it will not show. So let's see. So when we are selecting the tool, we see so how the data is coming to the tool. So here we have all the field names. Sorry. And from these field names, so by default all the field names are selected. We can go here and we can select deselect all. It will deselect all, and based on our requirement, we can select whichever field we want and whatever action we want to do with that. So for example, we'll select this one and we'll rename it as not required. Sorry. And we want to move this particular field towards the end or somewhere else. So what we can do is we can select the field and we will right click and we will move it up or down wherever you want to place it. See, it moved. So now there are, again we will select all, and what are the other options that we can do is sort. So we can also sort these fields using their original field name and in ascending or descending order. So let's see what happens when we select ascending. So that's how it will sort when we within the field names when we are sorting it with ascending or descending order. Then let's see. We can also sort it using the field names, field types, ascending or descending order. So these are the field types that are there: double, v string, double, and strings or dates. So there will be different field types, and we can sort them as per the field type as well. So double came first, v string came second, vw string came third, and if you don't want them, we can also revert to incoming field order. So whatever in whatever order they were coming to this select tool, so it will revert to that state. And we can also add prefix to field names, add suffix to the field names, and when we once we add, this remove option will also be highlighted and we can remove as well. And here, as we have already renamed here, it is also giving us the renaming to clear all renames. So if you select it, it will clear all renames. So it also happens when we are joining two files. So at that time it also renames them as left. It will supposing this name is nations, so when we join and it will come from a left join, here it will automatically rename it as left nations. And if there is similar field that we are inserting from another file and we are joining them, then that file also has this field nation, then it will say right nations. In that scenario as well, we can come here and we can remove the renames, so it will appear as they coming to the tool. So that's it guys, for this video and about the select tool. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.